Give me another one. Hey baby, you wanna go out for a drink one day? Huh?
That's my wife.
Well, I'm pulling around, so you got a problem with that?
Yeah, I do.
Let's take it outside.
Do it right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3, draw!
I have diabetes.
Jared! No! Do you want diabetes? They call me the mass diabetic boy.
Thank you for watching Diabetic Boy, episode 6. I'm John, producer / director and cameraman. This is, you know, the ugly background character. Second episode he's been back. This is the random kid right here.
Shut up.
Jordan, who I think I should be the star. And then and there's Cody right here. The girl again.
I said I should be. Yeah!
Okay, you're the writer, Cody. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell Cody.
Shut up!
Tell Jordan. Tell Tyler.
Shut up!
Tell random kid.
Knock it down!
No, stop.